Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 8 power x equals 48, solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So let's apply log to both parts. We have log 8 power x equals log 48. And from here, if you have log a power b, this is b times log a. So log a power x is x times log 8 equals log 48 is, we can express it as 8 times 6, that's 48. So if you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. So applying this right here, we have x log 8 equals log 8 plus log 6. So from here, I can isolate x by dividing this by log 8 and dividing this by log 8. So right now, what happens here is that this eliminates this. I will simply have x equals log 8 plus log 6 divided by log 8. So from here, let's divide by common denominator. We have x equals log 8 divided by log a plus log 6 divided by log 8. Log 8 divided log 8, we have 1. We have x equals 1 plus log 6 divided by log 8. Now, I can express this as x equals 1 plus log 6 is log. This is 2 times 3 divided by, here we have log 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So, remember, log a times b equals log a plus log b. So right here we have x equals 1 plus, this is log 2 plus log 3 divided by, this is log 4 plus log 2. So from here, I'll have x equals 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 divided by, this is log 4. 4 is 2 to the power of 2 plus log 2. And remember, log a power b equals b times log a. We apply that here. We have x equals 1 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 3. This division here covers everything, plus log 3 divided by log 2. So the coefficient here is 2 and the coefficient here is 1. So log 2, 2 log 2 plus 1 log 2, that will be 3 log 2. That means we have x equals 1 plus log 2 plus log 3 divided by, this is 3 log 2. So from here, can have x equals 1 plus, divide each term here by the common denominator. Have log 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So from here, log 2 eliminates log 2. X equals 1 plus, this is 1 divided by 3 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So what we are going to do will be to add this together. If x equals, this is 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So we find the LCM here. This is 3. 3 divides 1, 3 times 1, we have 3. Plus 3 divides 3, 1. 1 times 1, you have 1. Plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. So 3 plus 1 is 2. If x equals, this is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 3 plus log 3 divided by 3 times log 2. So we can apply this other identity. If you have log A divided by log B, this equals log A to the base of B. Applying that here, that means we have x equals 4 divided by 3 plus log 3 to the base of 2, and this is divided by 3 because there is 3 here. Now we can easily factor out the 1 over 3 because the coefficient here is 1. That means we can have our answer as x equals 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 times log 3 to the base of 2. So this becomes our answer. Now let's verify if this particular solution here will satisfy the equation. So we have verified a power x equals 48, or x equals 4 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 times log 3 to the base of 2. Substituting this for x, so we have a power 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 of log 3 to the base of 2 equals 48. From here, we express it as 2 power 3. This is raised to the power of 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 of log 3 to the base of 2 equals 48. So it's time to multiply this exponent. Remember, a power x power y equals a power x times y. So from here, I have 2 power 3 times 4, that is 12, divided by 3 plus 2 power 3. 3 times this is 3 over 3 of log 3 to base 2 equals 48. 12 divided by 3 is 4. We have 2 power 4 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 of log 3 to base of 2 equals 48. Now, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y, applying this right here, I have 2 power 4 times 2 power log 3 to base of 2 equals 48. And 2 power 4 here is 16 times Here we have 3 because if you have a power log b to the base of a is equals b. So here is 3 equals 48. You have 3 times 6. That is 18. Carry over 1. 3 times 1. 3 plus 1. That is 48 equals 48. Left hand side equals right hand side. And that is it, guys. Thank you. Goodbye.